So, good day everyone. Our lesson is all about conic section, circles. The learning objectives that you would know are the following. Number one, define a circle. 2. Transform the general form of a circle into standard form and vice versa. Find the center and radius of a circle and sketch the graph of a circle. What is a circle? A circle consists of all points on a plane equidistant from a fixed point called center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is constant and is called the radius of the circle. How to find the equation of a circle? The distance formula can be used to find the equation of a circle with radius r. If the radius r has endpoints at C, hk, and at P, xy, then r is equal to the square root of the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared. And then we will square both sides of the equation. So we have now r squared is equal to the square of the square root of the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared. To simplify that, the square of any square root variable is always equal to the variable. And so, we have now r squared is equal to the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared. So, the graph is on the right side for you to view. Okay, so we have also illustrations of circles with different centers. The first figure is a circle with center at the origin or at point 0, 0. And the other figure is a circle with center hk, specifically at 4, negative 3. Okay, so we have equation of a circle with center 0, 0. In the standard form of the equation of a circle, the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. If h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, then x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay, first example, write the equation of a circle in standard form with radius 3 and center at 0, 0. The first step, we will write first the standard form of a circle with center 0, 0. So we have x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Given the radius equal to 3, we will substitute r into 3. So we have now x squared plus y squared equals 3 squared. And then we will simplify the squared radius. So 3 squared is equal to 9. Therefore, our final equation is x squared plus y squared equals 9. Second example, write the equation of a circle in standard form with radius 5 and center at 0, 0. So first step, we will write the standard equation of the circle at 0, 0. And then we will substitute the value of the radius, which is 5. So we have now x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. And then we will simplify the squared radius. 5 squared is equal to 25. So the final equation is x squared plus y squared equals 25. We have now circles with center at HK. So when we say HK is a point on the Cartesian plane except origin. So anywhere in the Cartesian plane except the point of origin or 0, 0. Okay, so we have now the third example. So write the equation of a circle with center at 3, -5 and with radius 6. The first step of the solution, we will write the standard form of the equation of a circle at HK. So we have here the quantity x minus h square plus the quantity y minus k square is equal to r square. Substitute the value of h, which is 3. So we have now x minus 3. And then the value of k, which is -5. That's why we have y minus -5. And then the value of r is 6. So we have here 6 for the value of r. So we will simplify this. So x minus 3 square plus y minus -5 becomes y plus 5. Quantity square and then 6 square is equal to 36. So the final equation of the circle is the quantity x minus 3 square plus the quantity y plus 5 square is equal to 36. Fourth example, write the equation of a circle with center at -1, -4, and with radius square root of 7. Again, the first step, write the standard form of a circle with center HK, which is the quantity x minus h square plus the quantity y minus k square equals r square. Substituting the value of h, which is -1, we have now x minus -1 square. And then we have the value of k, which is -4. So we have y minus -4, quantity square. And then, since the value of the radius is square root of 7, we will square square root of 7. And this becomes 7. And then, simplify x minus -1. This becomes x plus 1. And then y minus -4. This becomes y plus 4. So our final equation is the quantity x plus 1 square plus the quantity y plus 4 square equals 7. Okay, so we have now the standard form of the equation of a circle with center 0, 0. So we have x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And circle with center HK, we have the quantity x minus h square plus the quantity y minus k square equals r square. So these two standard form is very important. So you have to remember it always. We have now the general form of the equation of a circle. So using the standard form of a circle with center HK, we have the quantity x minus h square plus the quantity y minus k square is equal to r square. Expanding the square of a binomial, here x minus h squared, this becomes x squared minus 2hx plus h squared. And also with this square of y minus k, this becomes y squared minus 2ky plus k squared. Don't forget to place the plus sign before the y square. Then bring down r square. And then arrange the terms, placing the squared terms first. So we have x squared plus y squared. And then we have negative 2hx minus 2ky plus, since h squared here represents a constant, and then k squared here also represents a constant. R squared here is also a constant. And we will put them together, h squared plus k squared minus r squared. So these three terms are all constants. So in symbols, since the coefficient of x squared and y squared here are equal, then always remember the coefficients a and b represented for the numerical coefficient of x squared, and the other one is for y squared. And they are always equal. So we have now here ax squared plus by squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So f here is the constant term for h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Since we do not have cxy, c here is 0. So the term cxy is not present in this equation. Okay, so we have now the fifth example. Determine the center and radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x equals 5. First step, write the given. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 4x equals 5. Put together the terms with the same variables, which is x squared minus 4x plus y squared equals 5. So for the first two terms, x squared minus 4x, since this is a part of a perfect square trinomial, we will complete it by completing the square. So we have x squared minus 4x. For the third term, we will divide negative 4 by 2. So negative 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we will square negative 2. So negative 2 square is equal to 4. And 4 is added to both sides of the equation. So we have now x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared equals 5 plus 4. So what you add on the left, you add it on the right. And then we will express the perfect square trinomial as a square of a binomial. So we have now x minus 2 is square. And then bring down plus y square. And then simplify 5 plus 4, it is equal to 9. Therefore, the center of the circle is at 2, 0. So since this is only y square, then the k value is 0. And then since this is r square is equal to 9. Therefore, the radius is equal to 3. So how did we get 3? Square root of 9. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Okay, so center is at 2, 0, and the radius is 3. Okay, sixth example. So write the quantity x minus 2 square plus the quantity y plus 1 square equals 9 in general form. So first step of the solution, write the given first and then expand the square of the binomial. So we have here x minus 2 square becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then y plus 1 square becomes y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals 9. and then arrange the terms where the squared terms shall be the first terms. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y, and then simplify all the constants. So we have 4 plus 1, and transposing 9 to the left, this becomes negative 9. Therefore, 4 plus 1 minus 9, it is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the final equation is x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Seventh example, rewrite the general equation of the circle x squared plus y squared plus 14x minus 16y plus 77 equals 0 into standard form. First step of the solution, so write the given equation, and then the first step is arrange the terms or group the terms with the same variable. So we have here x squared plus 14x, and then we have y squared minus 16y, and then transpose positive 77 to the right side of the equation, and it becomes negative 77. And then completing this square, so how to find the third term here? So we will find the half of 14, and that is 7. Square 7, we have 49. And then for, we have here y squared minus 16y. So we will complete this. So na-missing siya. Y squared minus 16y. To complete this, we have to take the half of negative 16, and that is negative 8. And then we will square negative 8, and that becomes 64. So we will add 64 to both sides. So we have, the first one is we add 49 on the left, so we will add also 49 on the right side of the equation. And then we will add also 64. Since we add on the left, we add it also on the right side of the equation. And then rewriting the perfect square trinomial into the square of a binomial, this becomes x plus 7 squared. And then y squared minus 16y plus 64, this becomes y minus 8 squared equals 36. Okay, so negative 77 plus 49 plus 64 is 36. Therefore, our final equation is the quantity x plus 7 squared plus the quantity y minus 7 squared equals 36. Okay, we have also here graphing a circle. So the 8th example is sketch the graph of a circle with radius 3 and center at 0, 0. So given the graph here on the right part, so since the center is at 0, 0, so we place the center on the point of origin. Since the radius is equal to 3, we will mark, okay, every grid is 1 unit, therefore 1, 2, 3. So that is 1 point, and then another 3 up to here, upward, and then to the left, 3 units from the center, and then downward, another 3 units. And then connect all the points to make it a circle. Okay? And then 9th example, sketch the graph of a circle with radius 5 and center at 0, 0. Okay, so this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and the point of origin is here. So that is 0, 0. And then the radius is 5. So we will count 5 units to the right. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 units on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units to 5 units upward. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 units downward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is x squared plus y squared equals 25. Since the radius is 5 units. So this is r squared. Okay. 10th example. So sketch the graph of the equation. The quantity x minus 3 square plus the quantity y plus 1 square equals 36. So in here we can determine the center of the circle, which is at 3, negative 1. So we will locate the center at 3, negative 1. So it is here. So since this is the point of origin, so we have 3 units to the right and then 1 unit downward. So that is the center at 3, negative 1. And then we will count 6 units to the right, to the left, and then 6 units upward and downward. Since this is 36, therefore the radius is equal to 6. So we will check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So until sa 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So until negative 3 on the left. And then upward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 5 on the y-axis. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at 7 on the y-axis. Ayan. Okay, and then connect all the points to make it as a circle. Okay, so the equation is ito. The quantity x minus 3 square plus the quantity y plus 1 square equals 36. We have the 11th example. So sketch the graph of the equation x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 4y minus 8 equals 12. So in here, we have to rewrite the general form into standard form. So we have the standard form becomes the quantity x plus 5 squared plus the quantity y minus 2 squared equals 49. And the center is at negative 5, 2. So let's locate the center first at negative 5, 2. Since this is the point of origin, so we have here 2, 4, 5. So negative 5. And then positive 2. So 2 units per grid. So negative 5, 2 is here. And then we will count 7 units to the right, to the left, and then upward and downward. So let's count in here. So this is 1 unit up to here. So 2, 4, 6. So 7 units. And then 2, 4, 6. And then half is 1. So 7. 2, 4, 6. And then half. That is 7. And then in here, since that is 1 unit, so we have 2, 4, 6 plus that 1 unit, 7. And then connect all the points to make it a circle. Okay, so that is how to sketch the graph of a circle. Okay, so ayan. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Bye!